Hello and welcome. I'm at the CMT Trade Fair in Stuttgart. This is an exhibition hall with vehicles from Knaus Tabbert. This is the Weinsberg edition Fire. This is a 6-meter long vehicle, 205 centimeters in width. It's 302 centimeters high. It'll cost around 77,000 euros or thereabouts. What's good about this? It's got a lot of space inside on a small footprint. Only 6, effectively 12 square meters, or just slightly over that. And let's have a look inside. So as you come in, first thing you notice, lots and lots of space up here. You can see on the right there's a bed. We've got the semi-dinette here, 4 chairs around the table. We've got the kitchen block here. Let's come to the back, which will give us another idea of what the space this is offering. But there are here some major problems, which they would know if they ever used, the designers ever used the vehicle. So we've got this very nice large storage, slopes down here, we've got space above. Okay, I don't have a problem with that at all, but what I do have a problem is that, like, space up here, which has completely gone to waste. That is ridiculous. It's a huge amount of space as well. It's not just over there. And look at this, over the toilet as well. Absolutely absurd. And anyway, that's number one problem. Number two is this: lots of people sit up in bed and read, but this pointless shelf in their way, stopping them reading. I mean, to me, I would take that thing out completely. Now you may think, oh well, they've got a plug up there for phones, you can charge your phone up there. Why not put in a pocket, which in the side of the wall, which would probably be no more work, if not less. It would probably even be less cost for the manufacturer. The thing is, they don't use the vehicles, so they don't know these things, and they don't watch people's videos like mine, who actually do use the videos, do use the vehicles. Anyway, you've got a window up there. You've got 2 windows in the door, which I will add is not insulated, so you're sleeping next to a cold area there. You've got a window here, and right, so here we've got a Vitry-Frigo fridge, and here we've got storage as well, so you can turn that into a wardrobe, or leave it as it is with shelves, and a bit of storage up there as well. Oh, that's something's just fallen on the floor. I wonder what that was. Hope it wasn't the engine. In here, washroom. There's carpets down there. They want to protect the floor of the shower unit. That's absolutely understandable. It's got a non-slip surface. That's good. It's got 2 drainage points. That's good. What's not so good is the small drainage points. I've never really understood what this is, but I think this looks quite good. I think it's quite good. Under here, we've got like a sink-like thing, which I think, you know, for keeping soap or something, I think that's quite good, actually. Knaus is the only company that does it. It's never been copied by anybody, at least not that I've seen. Place here to keep your shampoos and things. Yeah, that's okay. It's got an elastic in, so it's not going to fall out. Shouldn't fall out anyway. A window in the door, and you got a big mirror here, so you can see what's going on. But see, okay, now when I said about complaining about the not using the height, well, look, okay, you say, well, who's going to need more height than that in the shower? I agree with that one, absolutely. I agree with it. So why not use it for storage area? Put I don't know, a cabinet in there or something like that. Right, here we've got another bed. This bed will drop down. Let's see if I can get it to drop down without any problems. Let's hope it's... No, sorry. And I can't do it with one hand. I didn't think I was going to be able to. Oh, I can't do it with one hand. I'm not as weak as I thought I was. And so this drop down like that. There we've got the bed. That's what it looks like above the bed. Lots of space up there. Lots of light. Note, you've got the window at the front, and you've got a second one. And you've got either side. Now that is good. Also though, note this is also good. There's me, I'm standing upright, there's my hand, and as I walk down here, look, I'm under the thing now. Okay, my head's bent a little bit, but it's not a lot. And how many other vehicles can offer you this, that you can sit under a bed, so people can be sleeping up here, access via a ladder. That is the advantage of this layout. Not only that, but one person be sleeping, the other one can actually make the breakfast or the lunch, depending on what time you get up. Under this, we've got these drawers, and the good quality drawers. I mean, the very nice ones. The Knaus version of this actually also has soft close as well. But this is, it's very, very nice down here. And let's have a look what we've got around here. It's the kitchen extension. Got a place to hang things there. Don't know what, but at least you've got the opportunity to do so. Once more storage again. Look at that, isn't that stupid? Putting something like that in. Now, what could they have done? They could have put an elastic in there. How much does that cost? And that would hold things. Oh, a couple of elastic things. These Kipua system, for example, which I really strongly believe in. Something along those lines. All of that was possible, but they didn't do it. So, right, note this board here under the bed, that will come out, and we'll see that in more detail round the back. Right, here, oh, something fell down when I opened it. Right, okay, that may look a mess, but fair, look, I mean, they've got to sell this, and you really don't want your mattress getting messed up. This is here the gas cupboard. So you've got space for 2 gas cylinders. And these days they all have these what's it called? A grill over there, which I think is a very good idea. Well, I think it's now a legal obligation as well. And so your boiler's back there. Lashing straps in the floor. All of this will come up if you wanted to carry something heavy or not necessarily heavy. It might be light, but it might be bulky. But so because of the height, you can really get stacks of stuff there in the back. That strap there is to hold the bed in position. Right, good. Now I often come here in places like this. See, no insulation. I often come to places like this and there's background music, which I can't stand at all. But I really like the bird song, and there are videos that I have done where I have deliberately added bird song, because I go into the forest or something like that, and then I hear the birds singing, and then I put that as a background track. I've done that a few times, so now you know why there's maybe birds singing where they shouldn't be singing. But this isn't my background track, it's theirs. Okay, there you go. It says there Noi on the outside. This vehicle has a history going back at least 30 years. Sorry, this layout, I should say. This may be something inside which is a new for the layout, so maybe that's the reason why they're claiming it's new. But anyway, I'm sure I'll say that it's a new vehicle in the title. But there may be things inside which are new. Can't say I noticed them, but who knows? You might be able to. Thanks for watching.